So if you see today, the SE to AE ratio is really 1:3 in almost every org. Unless you're selling to very large enterprises, then you will have 1:1 ratio for SEs to AEs, right? So 3 AEs basically get one shared SE, and they keep on fighting for the time of SEs, and because they are subject matter experts, right? Now even when this deal is being closed, that's when the SE is involved. When the deal is closed and then it is handed over to customer success, for a longest of the time SE is still involved. You can't give the entire implementation to a delivery team or implementation team, because there is so much subject matter expertise that solutions team has. And for deals which go on for 6 months to 12 months, there's a lot of context. So today what happens is, this knowledge is spread across multiple tools, right? I mean, as we were discussing, consolidation of tools, because there are so many tools. And honestly, I think in next at least few years, we are not going to see a lot of consolidation of the tools, because there are such amazing products which are coming up, which are doing just those 5 things so well that you don't want to compromise bringing in a legacy player or using features of those incumbents and compromise on productivity or compromise on how best you can actually do a particular task. So consolidation is definitely needed, but it's not happening, I think, anytime soon. And if consolidation is not happening, what Gainsight did, right? Gainsight basically bought all the data into one place, which is required by customer success team to make the customer successful. Now, a lot of companies have solved for data. You see ThoughtSpot, Gainsight, a lot of companies have solved for data, but not many companies have solved for knowledge and context. Once you solve for knowledge and context, then you're empowering your sellers to being able to answer any question immediately from the customer, instead of saying I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you delays your sales cycle.